This is Brooke, the snoring reporter. You are going to hear some snoring loud things. And you know what? This is the loudest snore. Well, that was a loud snore. Where that was a loud snore. That was him again. So let's view our thing, and I'm Snoring reporter, surrounded by my Grammie and Pappaw.